Welcome back. After taking you straight to Kisii State Lodge, where the president gave his New Year message, let's now bring you back to the studio. My name is Tom Boya, and we are so grateful that you made our channel your channel of choice. My sign language interpreter tonight is Byron Abule. Let's now look at the news proper. The Inspector General of Police, Douglas Kanja, risks facing contempt of court charges following his failure to obey court orders requiring him to produce 6 allegedly abducted persons. High Court Judge Bahati Mwamuye says that the Inspector General and 8 other respondents have until Monday of next week to file their responses in court within the matter set for hearing on Wednesday, the 8th of January 2025. And as John Jacob Kioria reports, it was an emotional moment in court as one of the abductees' parents, Gerald Mwangi Karicha, pleaded for the release of his son, Billy Mwangi. Here is that report.
The habeas corpus orders essentially require a person deemed to be in legal custody to be produced in court, dead or alive. George Mwangi Karicha travelled from Embu County to the Milimani High Court in Nairobi, hoping to reunite with his son, Billy Mwangi, who has been missing since the 21st of December 2024. An emotional Mwangi narrated the circumstances under which his son was allegedly abducted, detailing the particulars of the vehicles in which Billy was bundled into.
There came 2 cars.
Yes.
One of the cars was Hilda car, white in color, the new model.
Yes.
It is registration number KDG 527D.
With his hopes dashed, Mwangi pleaded with the court to enforce its orders on the production of Billy and 5 other abductees.
My wife has collapsed. She has collapsed so many times.
Yes.
I did not come with the hand because I cannot be able to handle it. So when I look around the courtyard, I cannot see my son. I thought he is here. Seriously, who took my son and where is my son?
The Inspector General of Police is once again in the crosshairs of the courts, accused of blatant disobedience of the orders issued by Judge Bahati Mwamuye.
I want to give the respondents enough time for them to comprehensively deal with this question. I get the feeling, I have a sense that this petition and this application will guide this nation forward in how we deal with this question of what is colloquially being called abductions.
The Inspector General of Police, Douglas Kanja, who is named as a respondent alongside his office, failed to appear before court, instead sending his legal representative Paul Nyamodi and the Nairobi Regional Criminal Investigations Head Bernard Kasioki.
I have had an opportunity to have a look at the miscellaneous application pending before your brother, Justice Mutete. Yes. And I wish to state that that is the proper way of commencing a habeas corpus.
The petitioners, represented by NAK Kenya Party leader Martha Karua and Wiper Democratic Movement Party leader Kalonzo Musyoka.
When the court orders for the production, the writ is not spent. It is for whoever is holding to come and tell the court, yes, we have the person, or no, we don't have the person, and explain.
You issued specific orders yesterday. Non-compliance should be met with penal consequences.
While Judge Mwamuye appeared to hand the IG and the other respondents an olive branch, he warned that the commencement of the hearings on Wednesday next week will bear grave consequences if the orders issued on Monday for the production of the abductees are not obeyed.
State officers have an obligation, pursuant to their oaths of office, pursuant to the expectations of the Constitution, and also there is a consequence of contempt of court. This court will not hesitate next week if these persons are not brought before this court or have not already been brought to cite.
Kanja, his office, the Attorney General, the National Intelligence Service, the Cabinet Secretary Interior and the Director of Public Prosecutions and the other parties, including petitioners and interested parties, have until Monday the 6th of January 2025 to file their responses, while those intending to file rejoinders have until Tuesday the 7th of January 2025, a day before the hearing kicks off. John Jacob Kioria, Prime Edition.